Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine waking up one morning, grabbing your keys, driving your car out of the garage, and then simply taking off into the sky. No airport, no traffic jams below, just you soaring above the city like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. That insane dream isn't fiction anymore. In 2026, flying cars have finally arrived. I found them, 20 real flying cars and eVTOL vehicles that actually launched, got certified, entered production, or started deliveries this year. Get ready to have your mind completely blown. Let's dive right in. First up is the Alef Model A from Alef Aeronautics. This California-based beast is often called the world's first true drivable flying car. It drives like a normal electric vehicle on roads, then switches to vertical takeoff mode for flight. Production kicked off late last year, and early 2026 saw the first customer handovers and real-world testing. Priced around $300,000, it's ultra-light, seats two, and promises short hops that beat rush hour commutes forever. Next, the Klein Vision AirCar. This Slovakian marvel transforms from a sports car into a fixed-wing aircraft in under 2 minutes. It got full certification, flew hundreds of test hours, and started limited production runs in early 2026. Imagine folding wings, driving to the edge of town, then lifting off at highway speeds. Top speed in the air hits over 100 miles per hour, and range stretches far enough for weekend getaways. Then there's Pivotal's Helix. This single-seat eVTOL from Palo Alto feels like a personal helicopter, but way simpler. It's electric, ultra-compact, and orders opened with deliveries ramping up through 2026. At around $190,000, it's one of the more affordable entries for enthusiasts who want to own their own Sky-to-Toy. EHang's autonomous passenger drones keep expanding too. China's leader in the space already runs commercial flights in select cities. By 2026, more models got type certification upgrades, and passenger ops scaled in urban test zones. No pilot needed, just hop in, select your destination, and let AI handle the rest. Joby Aviation's S4 air taxi pushes boundaries further. This one's built for 4 passengers plus a pilot initially. They nailed major FAA milestones, with commercial launches teased for late 2026 in places like New York and Dubai. Quiet electric rotors, smooth transitions from hover to cruise. It's designed to feel like an elevator to the sky. Archer Aviation's Midnight follows close behind. Midnight seats 4, cruises at speeds over 100 miles per hour, and targets urban air mobility networks. They pushed hard on certification in 2026, with partnerships lining up for city vertiports. Beta Technologies' ALIA keeps proving long-range capability. This electric VTL hauls cargo now, but passenger versions edge closer. 2026 brought expanded flight testing and FAA approvals for training ops. It's rugged, reliable, and built for real-world missions beyond city hops. XPeng Aero HT's land aircraft carrier shocked everyone. This massive 6x6 mothership carries a smaller flying module on its back. Range exceeds 1,000 kilometers on the ground, then the flyer detaches for sky duty. Prototypes flew publicly in 2026, and pre-orders exploded in China. AutoFlight's Matrix claims the title of world's largest flying car right now. This Shanghai giant completed big flight tests near the city. Passenger flights could start soon, backed by China's low-altitude economy push. It's built for scale, think bigger payloads, longer distances. Volocopter's urban air taxis keep evolving. Germany's Pioneer runs demo flights worldwide. 2026 upgrades brought quieter ops and better battery life for city-to-city runs. Jetson ONE stays the king of personal fun flyers. The Swedish single-seater is fully electric, super agile, and more units shipped to owners in 2026. It's like a jetpack with a seat, open cockpit thrills at low altitudes. Aska's A5 blends hybrid power with VTL smarts. Road legal body meets vertical lift. Testing wrapped key phases, positioning limited sales for late 2026. PAL V Liberty's gyrocopter car hybrid finally hit stride. Road legal in Europe, flight certs progressed. Three-wheel drive meets rotor lift for versatile adventure travel. Whisk Aero pushes full autonomy. Boeing-backed, their Chorus-style craft targets pilotless rides. 2026 saw simulator advances and regulatory talks heating up. E from Embraer focuses on practical 4-passenger eVTL. Manufacturing ramps with 2026 milestones towards service entry. Vertical Aerospace's VX4 keeps UK pride alive. High-speed cruise, quiet flight, investor demos in 2026 showed promise. Now let's talk about some wilder entries. The Volocopter Airbike, a flying motorcycle concept, gained traction with prototype demos. X-Turismo from Japan blends dirt bike with drone tech for off-road sky runs. Even rumors swirl about bigger names jumping in. But hold on, while these launches feel revolutionary, let's shift gears for a second, because not everything is as straightforward as the headlines scream. In the second half here, things get a bit murkier. More rumor, more speculation, more maybe yes, maybe no. Take the exact number 20. We see headlines claiming 20 flying cars launched in 2026, but dig deeper and many are still in limited production, early adopter handovers, or regional trials only. Alef Model A? Production started, yes, but hand-built, tiny numbers, mostly for testing. Klein AirCar? Certified in pre-production, but mass rollout, still scaling slowly. Pivotal Helix? Orders, yes, deliveries trickling, not flooding streets or skies yet. EHang flies passengers commercially, but mostly in controlled China zones, not global free-for-all. Joby and Archer promised 2026 launches, yet FAA final sign-offs drag, pushing some ops to 2027 or later. Many
launches mean prototype unveilings, certification filings, or pre-order opens, not you buying one tomorrow. China pushes hard with Matrix and others. Passenger flights planned for 2026, but experts whisper pivotal year more as hope than guarantee. Regulations lag infrastructure. Vertiports barely exist outside demos. Air traffic control for thousands of personal flyers, not ready. Battery tech improved massively, but range anxiety in the sky remains real for longer trips. Safety records look good in tests, but scaling to public use brings unknown risks. Some models like Jetson ONE deliver fun, yet restricted to low-altitude, short flights, not cross-country freedom. Tesla rumors, Elon teased wild roadster add-ons or flying demos, but nothing concrete shipped in 2026. Other whispers, secret prototypes from big auto giants, stay just that, whispers. So yes, 2026 marks a massive lead. Real vehicles fly, get certified, reach customers. The era begins. But full mainstream revolution? Maybe not quite yet. It could explode in the next few years, or hit delays from regs, costs, public acceptance. These 20 represent pioneers, some proven, some promising, some still rumors wrapped in hype. The future looks closer than ever, but we're still on the runway, engines warming. What do you think? Is 2026 truly the year flying cars took off, or just the teaser trailer? Drop your thoughts below. Which model blows your mind most? If you're hyped like me, smash that like button, subscribe for more future tech breakdowns, and hit the bell. Who knows, maybe next video we'll be reviewing one from the sky. Thanks for watching. See you in the clouds or on the road. Peace out.